We're in Columbus, the capital of Ohio, and this is the Greater Columbus Convention Center. It was time to give the convention center a facelift, and we needed a dash or two of iconic. And the LG 60-foot display gave us one of those iconic attractions. It's the first thing that visitors see when they come here.
Reese Brothers was brought on to figure out what we could do on this 100-foot wall that would be dynamic in scope and bring wow to the interior of the Greater Columbus Convention Center. And that solution was video art.
We did an extensive amount of research to find a product that had offered the quality we wanted within the budget constraints that we had. And we struggled for a long time until we found LG. And LG was clearly the best value solution for us.
Well, when the client first came to us with the budget top of mind, we knew that direct view LED was the only way to get to the footprint or the real estate of size that they needed.
My concern was that we wouldn't be able to afford a product that would display in a crisp fashion the type of video content that I knew would work in this location. And because of the 4mm pitch that we were able to obtain with the product, it takes the ordinary and turns it into wow.
The convention center is actually using it in a unique way, creating animation with some of that static art that's been curated around the convention center, and basically taking a direct view LED sign and turning it into a work of art. So this is a 2 by 25 cabinet structure to create the 7-foot by 60-foot direct view wall. And each of those cabinets have 12 LED modules.
And that's going to give us 480 pixels tall and 4,500 pixels wide. So when they produce the content, they actually do produce the content in 480 by 4,500. And then they place that into the player just as it's created. And that's one of the nice things about direct view LED is you can usually set it up as one big zone on a media player. Well, the unique thing about it is it was our first installation since we kicked off our direct view LED in the United States. Direct view LED has been really moving its way into the digital signage space because of its versatility. It can be built to any size. We have resolutions from 1mm to 20mm. We have the indoor and the outdoor applications.
So we knew that there was going to be a lot of direct sunlight because the whole south side of this wall is nothing but windows.
And come 3 o'clock or so, you have sun beaming right in there. And what's amazing with this product is that you don't lose the integrity of the content.
This product itself has 1,000 nits of brightness. We actually have another one that's 2,000 nits of brightness, but it has the ability to turn down as well. So you can turn it down when it's a little bit darker and you don't have as much sunlight.
I would say the LG customer service was second to none on this project. We were heavily supported from LG, from operations to sales and even technical support once we were here on site. So we were able to make a first installation project successful.
Peerless actually created the mounting solution for LG, and then the installation company was able to build that frame off-site and bring it on-site when we were able to get all the cabinets installed in one day. So the installation was a very smooth process.
What sets LG apart from other vendors that we've worked with in the past is one, their customer service. We actually have dedicated account reps. We're not part of a SMB team. And then secondly is the support. Once it's out in the field, to us, it's bar none, first class support every step of the way. You don't get that with every other vendor in the industry.
We couldn't speak higher of the partnership that we got from LG and Kaufman.
The feedback we've heard from visitors, the client, and the community alike has been phenomenal. It's a great spectacle piece. You can see it from High Street, which is the main thoroughfare through downtown Columbus. You can see it across the street from the Hilton Hotel. So it's kind of been a landmark piece that has now been added as a staple to the Greater Columbus Convention Center.
And we often get people stopping and looking at the wall and actually engaging. That's what the client wanted, and that's what they got.